In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet virtual backgrounds. Virtual backgrounds can be an excellent way to maintain your privacy, hide a cluttered room, or just have a bit of fun during your meetings. With Google Meet, it's simple to change or blur your background before or even during a call. Let's dive in and explore how to add a little flair to your Google Meet sessions. First, you'll need to navigate to a Google Meet meeting. If you're not hosting the meeting yourself, simply follow the invitation link provided to you via email or calendar invite. Once you join the meeting, you'll be greeted with the home screen, and it's from here that we can start to get creative. To begin the process of changing your background, you'll want to look for the option labeled Backgrounds and Effects. Usually, you'll find this at the bottom of the screen, represented by a small icon, often shaped like a tiny human or wand, depending on the version you're using. After clicking on the Backgrounds and Effects icon, you'll be presented with a range of different background options. Here you can pick a style that suits the mood or theme of your meeting. Whether you choose a beach scene, a simple blurred effect, or something a bit more outlandish, it's all up to you. Once you've selected a background that you feel comfortable with, click on the Close button to exit the background selection screen. Now, you might choose to give your background a subtle touch by selecting Slightly Blur Your Background. This particular option can be really handy if you just want a neutral look, masking the environment without completely changing it. After you've made your selections, close the menu once more. At this point, you're ready to really dive into your meeting, so click on Join Now to enter the session with your freshly chosen backdrop. If you're midway through a meeting and decide you want to change your background again, or check out some of the other options, you can always click on More Options followed by Backgrounds and Effects, where you can adjust your settings as you please. Finally, once you're in the menu, you can choose another background style. Play around until you find the one that suits your meeting. Each step of the way, Google Meet makes it easy to experiment with and choose different looks, tailoring your virtual environment to your personal style. And there you have it. By following this guide, adjusting your Google Meet background becomes a simple task, allowing you to bring personalization and professionalism to your video calls. Whether you want fun, privacy, or just a change of scene, the choice is yours. Enjoy exploring and expressing yourself in your future meetings.